Iron ore belts in India. So children, please keep it in mind. You're going to study each and every factor what I am showing you in this slide very seriously, because CBSE asks you question. So many times a question has been asked on these iron belts in India for at least for 1 mark or 3 mark. So please keep those names in your mind, learn them properly. The first belt is Odisha Jharkhand belt. High grade hematite ore is found in Badampahar mines in the Mayurbhanj and Kendujhar district. Okay, in these areas in Odisha and Jharkhand. In the adjoining Singhbhum district of Jharkhand, hematite ore is mined in Gua and Noamundi. So the names of these places and what kind of iron ore is found over there, you have to keep it in mind. So Odisha and Jharkhand, then Kendujhar district, Badampar mines, Mayurbhanj, Singhbhum district, Jharkhand, and hematite ore. Please keep this in mind. Further, the another belt is Durg, Bastar, Chandrapur belt. These are the names of the places: Durg, Bastar, and Chandrapur. This belt lies in Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. Very high grade of hematite ore are found in the famous Bailadila range of hills in Bastar district of Chhattisgarh. Here also hematite ore is found. The range of hills comprises of 14 deposits of super high grade hematite ore. So high quality of hematite ore is found in this belt. It has the best physical properties needed for making steel. So hematite ore is used for making steel. So it has this, it's good quality over there, availability, provides a nice base for making steel. It is also exported to Japan and South Korea via Vishakhapatnam port. For this belt or the hematite ore which we get in this belt, Durg, Bastar and Chandrapur, it is exported to Japan and South Korea via Vishakhapatnam port. Third belt is Ballari, Chitradurga, Chakkamangaluru and Tumakuru belt in Karnataka. These are also the names of places in Karnataka. This belt has largest reserves of iron ore. Kudermukh mines are located in the western Ghats of Karnataka, are 100% unit. Kudermukh deposits are known to be one of the largest in the world. They are very important. Okay, the ore from this belt is transported as slurry through a pipeline to port near Mangaluru. So whatever iron ore is available or found in this belt, it is in the form of slurry. Slurry means liquid. So it is transported through pipeline to port near Mangaluru. Okay, and the last belt is Maharashtra Goa belt. It includes the state of Goa and the Ratnagiri district in Maharashtra. So in Maharashtra, in Ratnagiri district and Goa. Okay, these places where we find iron ore. Though the ores are not of high quality, here we do not find high quality of ore, yet they can be efficiently used. So iron ore from this belt is exported through Marmagoa port. So these were the iron ore belts in India. Please keep them, learn them properly and understand them.